To collect data for his class project, Jason went to the dock every afternoon for 1 week to take note of how many cruise ships were in the harbor. His data is as follows: 2, 7, 1, 1, 5, 1, and 4. Write down the mode. Now the mode is the number that appears the most. Indeed, we have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. 1 appears 3 times. Indeed, 1 is the most popular value in the dataset, and 1 is definitely the mode. Next, our goal is to write down the median. First, we're going to arrange the numbers in the dataset in ascending order from least to greatest. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 7. Next, the 1 goes with the 7. This 1 goes with the 5. The 1 goes with the 4. And so we are left with 2 in the middle. And that means that 2 is the median because the median is the number in the middle once the numbers are already arranged in ascending order. Next, we need to calculate the mean. Now the mean is the average. So we're going to add up all of the values in our data set: 2, 7, 1, 1, 5, 1, and 4. We're going to add them all up and divide them by 7 because there are 7 data values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what is 2 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4? That's going to be 21 divided by 7, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So that means that the mean is 3. Next, the question states that each ship carried an average of 980 tourists. Calculate the approximate number of tourists that arrive by ships each week. Notice that each ship carries an average of 980 tourists. So for these 2 ships, they're going each ship carries approximately 980 tourists. So we have 2 times 9 because there are 2 ships that carries about 980 tourists. And for this one, there are 7 ships that carry about 980 tourists. There is 1 ship with 980 tourists, 1 ship with another 980 tourists. It's an average of 980 tourists. And so we have 5 times 980, 1 times 980, 4 times 980. And so we're going to multiply. 2 times 980 is 1,060. 7 times 980 is 6,860. And we multiply each one of them to get our answers, right? 5 times 980 is 4,900. And 1 times 980 is 980. And 4 times 980 is 3,320. 3,920. And so we're going to add all of these numbers together. And so we get 20,580. And so that means that the approximate number of tourists that arrive by ship each week, the approximate number of tourists that arrive by ships each week is 20,580.